going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day today. I have not done a bunker video in a long time, and I know a lot of y'all like seeing this stuff. I just happened to be coming across some property that is old World War II military base, an old army base. They actually had an ammunition supply point at one time, back in the 30s and 40s, during the war. The place I'm at now, they actually held Japanese people and German people during the war. I've heard stories about whenever Japan bombed Pearl Harbor and then we declared the war. That's when they started rounding up Japanese people that were in the States, and they actually brought a lot of them to this property that I am on right now here in Oklahoma. And there's so many people in Oklahoma that do not know that. But anyways, I won't go into all the history because I don't know a whole lot of the history. I know there's a lot of stuff on this property. There used to be a bunch of bunkers that, before I even started YouTube, I came and I got to look at all these bunkers. Actually, ammunition storage bunkers is what they were. But today, what I have come across in the middle of the woods is a bunker. There's actually two here. One's more that I call it's a bunker slash tornado shelter, and it's old. It's from the era. It's from the 30s and 40s, maybe even older than that. And this other one I'm getting ready to show you, to me, it looks like a bunker. I want some of y'all's advice, what you think this actually is, and I'll turn around, I'll show it to you, then I'll show you this other bunker. Y'all let me know down below what y'all think this is. You guys see this? I think this is an old bunker, and I'll show you exactly why I think that. It's caved in back over here, and I can't find an entrance to it, but there's some other signs that I think that may be an old bunker, or maybe a house, and this was the bunker basement underneath it. But you can see here, it goes all the way over here. And this right here makes me believe maybe it's an old air shaft that was here somewhere on this. But this is, if you, I don't know if you could tell in the video, but here right now I could tell this goes out quite a ways. It's all in sunk in, maybe it caved in or something like that. But then you walk over here and you find this. Now this could be one of two things. Now this could be an air ventilation to the bunker, because it's literally right there. There's no reason why this couldn't have been one big underground facility. Now you look in there, you can't really see, it stops right there. Or this could be an old well site where they had dug a well down in there. But I'm gonna show you something else I found here in just a little bit that makes me believe I think this is absolutely a bunker. What do you guys think? So this is actually what I spotted from the road, the little cutout road that I was walking down. This is an old bunker, and look at this thing. There hasn't been anyone here forever. They built these things to last. There's no door on it, so we can actually go in, but I don't know how much light's in there. We'll take a look at it. Steps are in place still. There's an air shaft up there. There's a bird nest too, looks like. Pretty dang cool. Look at that, it's awesome. And that actually looks like the same pipe, same sort of pipe on this as, well, wherever it's at, right over there. Right, let me see it right there. See that pipe? So to me, that looks like the same sort of pipe, and they used that pipe for everything back in the day, still use the pipe. But to me, I think there's an old bunker sitting right there that I cannot find the entrance to. I mean, it's rocky out here, and a lot of it is just piled up over there. It's crazy. But I'm gonna walk over here. I found something else that's pretty interesting. I want to show y'all. Makes me think maybe that little pipe over, that big pipe over there, isn't a well. Could be, but this is what makes me think it's not. Let me show you this. Literally just feet away from that bunker site over there. An old hand dug well. There's no telling what you'd find in there if you start digging. So, and it's not far from there at all. Is that not awesome? So much history out here on this piece of property. You can just walk right over here. Right over here is the pipe that I found. So I don't know. What do you guys think? How awesome is that to find an old well, 2 bunkers, an air shaft, something, it could be a well, could be an air shaft to the bunker that I think's a bunker. How awesome is that to come across a piece of history that's been out here? Look, there's even some like little, some natural flower things, maybe wild onions coming up. Nope, them ain't onions. Yeah, how awesome is that to be able to come across this? I wish those 250 bunkers that used to be here, that they used to store ammo, was still here. So I could show y'all. Y'all would love them. It was an awesome piece of history that's now been destroyed and gone. So never get to show you those. I don't know, but this was awesome find. I was happy to come across it, and I'm glad I'm able to film some of it for y'all. I just wish I knew exactly what was in there. I wish I knew. I wish I could do some digging in here and just see what's down there. There's something down here. I could just imagine if I brought a metal detector down here, I could find all kinds of awesome stuff. That's a long time ago. There's actually still fencing up from the World War that's around the perimeter of this big, this used to be a big army base. So that fencing is still up and it's still usable, still good. I'm gonna say like 70% of it's still up around this. They've been taking some down here and there, but it's just amazing the quality of craftsmanship and work that they did back in the day, and things, they built things to last. There's no doubt about it. This was awesome. Well, hope you guys liked this little video. Like I said before, give me some advice what you think that might be. If you think it's bunker, if you don't think it's bunker, what you think that pipe is. Awesome old well I found. This is just a cool place. There's definitely an old homestead here with the shelters being here and the well and all that. This was cool. I would love to see some pictures of this, what it looked like back when they first built it and this was active. How awesome would that be? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like always, if you liked the video, smash that like button for me if you would, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and click that little bell for notifications. That way you get my new videos when I post them. So you guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. I actually found that might be the whole sewer line coming out of here, going right into this whole creek from a long time ago. Wow. Poor turtle. Yeah, that's going right to the bunker and the little home site over there, which that might have been in the other pipe over there. Wow. What do you guys think that was? That coming, you think that's the old sewer line from the 30s and 40s? I think it is for sure. It's crazy. Come right down here. Well, that tells you how far we've came as a country. No more pollution going into the streams for sure. Crazy.